Okay, let me introduce how to use this machine. Okay, first we connect the jack plug. This is plug. This is the Europe jack plug. We can make different plug according to customer's request. Okay, we connect to the power. Okay, then here this is the air compressor. This machine needs to connect to air compressor. Okay, it's already connected. Okay, let's from the start. Okay, let's start the power here. Okay, this is time before welding. That is means the dropping time. You can understand it. The dropping time is the time before rotating, before welding. This is the speed, rotating speed. You can adjust the speed. And this is the round, the circle. The circle means the circle. It spin before it finishes. In this we fit it 6. That means after 6th circle it will stop. It can be adjusted according to different products. Okay, this is the counter. Means how many pieces how many pieces you have made. Okay, this is the cooling time. Cooling time you can understand it as the holding time. After the circle, after the 6th round, then it will hold. It will cooling 0.5 seconds. This is clamp time. Clamp time is you can understand similar like the weld time before welding. Okay, this is the manual. Manual is for setting the mode. Manual is for setting the mode. This is save position. Save position. You can set the different position, and this is for lock. When you place this button, when you choose the when you find the position, right position, and you push this button, when it is yellow means the position is already locked. You can every time it will welding, it will come back to the only right position. Okay, so this is the clamp open. This button is only work when it's manual. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is for the setting of the mode. So this button is only work when this is manual. But if this is auto, that means for making this product, this button is not working. Okay, so it is only working at manual. Okay, let's start making the product. Okay, one more thing I like to introduce. This is the interflate protector. It means it can detect the object when, such as your hands. Okay, if it detect your hands, okay, it will not coming down. Okay, that means this is a protected device. Okay, let's start making the sample. Okay, this is the dumb piece. This piece, you put in like this, and you turn clockwise to the button, because this you need to turn to the button. Turn like this. Okay, like this. Then okay, so it is auto, so means we can weld. Okay, it's done. Okay, it's finished. Okay, that's all. Thank you.好，关掉，点一下。